Hello everyone, and what if I told you I can show you how to make this bird in a very, 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 very extremely short video. But first, I need to get a new piece of scrap paper. See? I did it. And now I need to start drawing. Wait, I think I messed up. Great. Just great. Don't do that. Do this. And then do this. And then do this. Or any eyes that I showed you in the 24 eyes video. And if you haven't seen that, go check that out. And then you draw this beak. Then you put a little dot. Try to make it as straight as possible. And then, oh gosh, that was bad. And then make it sitting on a branch. I promise I'm better than this. But, you know, it's been a long video. And you can color it if you want, but I am not. You didn't draw the line in the leaf. So, yeah. This is the bird. And, oh my gosh. And, yeah. So, bye.